Okay, this is training on how to take the data from the website MyCash and put it into a spreadsheet. First thing I do is open up the template, which is MyCash template, which is an Excel file. Then we go to File, Save As. We're going to change the name of this to MyCash AA in this example for all the names that are starting with AA, and I'm just going to do a subset for this time. I'm going to save this under the folder that Dustin made, UCF State Funds. So I enable the macros, make sure they're enabled. Hit save. Okay, excellent. I'm going to open up the first spreadsheet that was saved, and I'm going to go down to the table, click at the very beginning of the table, highlight the entire table, copy that. On a PC that's Control C, I believe on a Mac it's Command C. We're going to close this down, and I'm going to put this in the very first field. Okay, so that one's done. Now I'm going to go to the next one, which is the second page in this. Exact same process, highlight the entire table, copy it. I'm going to close this page, and I'm going to do this again. And pasting in Windows, it is Control V. On a Mac, I believe it's Command V. Okay? And I'm going to go back and do the third page. As you can see, this is very simple. So I'm going to highlight this entire table. Okay? Control C on my PC, Command C on a Mac. I'm going to close this window and paste in the very next cell and put it right there. Okay? And I'm going to go do this again. Alright? And I'm only doing 10 pages for this sample, okay, for this tutorial, just 10 pages. I have made this where it can handle up to 100 pages at a time. Alright? So that should be enough for most everyone. Alright? I'm on the 5th page now. Okay? So I'm highlighting this and copying it again and pasting it the very next one. Alright? And off to the next one. And we are more than halfway done, so this is pretty quick. Alright, so off to the next one. Control C, or Command C on the Mac, and Control V, or Command V. That's V as in Victor on the PC. Alright, so I'm going to the next page. So I'm going to highlight this. Alright, and then I'm copying this yet again, closing down this one since I got it in the buffer, and I am pasting. Copy and paste, that's all we're doing here. Copy and paste. 3 more to go, and we shall be done with this. So, Control C or Command C, C as in cat, and then we're going to paste with Control V as in Victor or Command V as in Victor, depending if you're using a Mac or a PC. And 2 more to go. So, going to the very beginning of this, selecting the entire table, Control C, closing down this window, and clicking on the very next cell here, and paste again. 1 more to go. This is the last one. And we'll highlight all this, Control C, or Command C on the Mac. We'll close that, and we shall paste. So all the data is in the spreadsheet. Now I'm going to go over to the very top of the spreadsheet, and as I have said here, it's press Control Shift F. So Control Shift F, and it's going to put all the data. Here it is on the final, right down here at the bottom. All the data is finalized. I have it set for everybody that's over $100. We are done. So all we got to do now is save this. And we've already named it. Make sure you've named it correctly so you don't destroy your template. And save, and we are finished. Completely done. If you have any questions, give me a holler. Name is Tracy Taylor. And my email is Zyprock, Z as in zebra, Y as in yellow, P as in Peter, E as in elephant, R as in rhino, hawk like the bird. Okay? If you can't remember that, I'm going to type it right here. Don't do this on yours, but zyperhawk@gmail.com. Okay? And my office number is 801-747-9351. So if you have any questions, that here is my contact information. Name is Tracy Taylor. Okay? Alright? So there you go. That's my contact information. Alright? And we are done.